Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode. Welcome back to Road to Ownership, where we guide you through the journey of making your dream home a reality. Today we are diving deeper into the fascinating world of real estate and home improvement. Our focus for this episode is on eco-friendly renovations for your home, a topic that's more relevant than ever. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content, and we truly appreciate it. In an era marked by climate change and environmental challenges, adopting eco-friendly practices is no longer a choice but a necessity for all of us. Our homes, often significant contributors to our environmental footprint, present a prime opportunity to embrace sustainability and make a positive impact. Eco-friendly renovations offer a way to reduce our impact on the planet while enhancing our living spaces, making them more comfortable and efficient. Whether you're planning a major remodel or simply looking to make your home more efficient, eco-friendly options are abundant and increasingly accessible to everyone. From harnessing the power of the sun with solar panels to choosing sustainable materials like bamboo, the possibilities for creating a greener home are vast and varied. Join us as we explore the world of eco-friendly renovations and discover how you can transform your home into a beacon of sustainability and a model for others to follow. One of the most impactful eco-friendly renovations you can make is installing solar panels. Not only do they harness the power of the sun, but they also provide a sustainable and renewable source of energy for your home. Solar panels convert sunlight directly into electricity using photovoltaic cells to capture and transform solar energy into usable power for your household appliances and devices. This process significantly reduces your reliance on fossil fuels and lowers your carbon footprint, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment. By generating your own clean energy, you can significantly reduce your monthly electricity bills, often seeing a noticeable decrease within the first few months of installation. Moreover, solar panels can increase your home's value, making it a more attractive option for future buyers who are looking for energy-efficient homes. As energy costs continue to rise, homes equipped with solar power become increasingly attractive to potential buyers who are eager to save on energy expenses. In many regions, government incentives and tax credits are available to homeowners who invest in solar energy, further reducing the initial cost of installation and making it an even more financially savvy choice. With these benefits, it's clear that solar power is not just an environmentally friendly option, but also a smart financial investment for your home. Upgrading your windows and insulation is another effective way to make your home more eco-friendly. Energy-efficient windows, such as double or triple-paned windows with low emissivity coatings, minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Proper insulation is equally important. It acts as a barrier, preventing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. By reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems, you can save energy and lower your utility bills. When renovating your home, consider using sustainable materials that are both durable and environmentally responsible. Bamboo, for example, is a fast-growing renewable resource that can be used for flooring, cabinetry, and even countertops. Reclaimed wood is another excellent option. adding character and history to your home while reducing demand for newly harvested timber. Other sustainable materials include cork flooring, recycled glass countertops, and low VOC paints and finishes. Section 5. Water conservation. Saving water and money. Water conservation is an essential aspect of eco-friendly living. Simple upgrades, such as low-flow shower heads and faucets, can significantly reduce your water consumption without sacrificing performance. Consider installing dual flush toilets, which allow you to choose between a full flush for solid waste and a partial flush for liquid waste. Rainwater harvesting systems can collect and store rainwater for outdoor use, such as watering your lawn or garden. Section 6. Environmental impact of traditional renovations. Traditional renovations can have a significant impact on the environment. Demolition waste often ends up in landfills, while the manufacturing and transportation of new materials contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, many conventional building materials contain volatile organic compounds or VOCs, which can release harmful pollutants into the air, affecting indoor air quality and human health. Section 7. The financial benefits of going green. While the environmental benefits of eco-friendly renovations are undeniable, it's important to note that these upgrades can also save you money in the long run. Energy-efficient appliances, solar panels, and water conservation measures can significantly reduce your utility bills. Moreover, many governments offer financial incentives, such as tax credits and rebates, to encourage homeowners to invest in eco-friendly home improvements. Section 8. Recent trends and statistics in eco-friendly renovations. The demand for eco-friendly home renovations is on the rise. According to a recent study by the National Association of Realtors, energy efficiency is a top priority for home buyers, with over 80% of respondents indicating that they would be willing to pay more for a home with energy-saving features. The global market for green building materials is projected to reach $484 billion by 2027, driven by increasing awareness of climate change and the benefits of sustainable living. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace sustainability one renovation at a time. In conclusion, eco-friendly renovations offer a win-win solution for both the environment and your wallet. By making thoughtful choices in your home improvement projects, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. By reducing your environmental footprint, you can contribute to a healthier planet while enjoying cost savings and a more comfortable living space. From solar panels to sustainable materials and water conservation measures, there are numerous ways to make a positive impact. A wide range of options are available to make your home more eco-friendly. Energy-efficient appliances, green building techniques, and smart home technologies can all play a role in creating a sustainable living environment. Let's all do our part in creating a more sustainable future, one renovation at a time. Every small step counts, and together we can make a significant difference. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us create content that matters to you. Also, take a moment to share and like this video. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the message of sustainability. Thank you.